Hota channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Your diabetes symptoms will disappear within few days. Amazing natural recipe. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy will make diabetes symptoms disappear within just few days. Ingredients: 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 bag of cloves. Take 1 tablespoon from that. 1/2 liter of bottled water. Preparation: first, put the cinnamon and cloves into the bottle of water. I'll leave this mixture to stay like that from 4 till 5 days in the fridge. Then drink 1 deciliter from that water every morning on an empty stomach. When you notice that there is enough water for only 4 days, prepare a new dose. Drink 3 bottles of this medicine. Then take a 15 days break. This natural remedy is excellent for people who suffer from diabetes. You will save money and you will get rid of diabetes in only 5 days. Don't hesitate to try this as soon as possible. Finally, I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.